Welcome to NZ Tech Channel. Today, we're exploring two exciting upcoming releases from DJI that have the tech world buzzing: the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the DJI Pocket 4. Based on leaks, insider tips, and official certifications, these devices are shaping up to be major upgrades in both aerial and handheld videography, setting the stage for innovation well into 2025 and beyond. Starting with the DJI Mini 5 Pro, this next-generation ultralight drone is expected to make a big impact, especially among enthusiasts who prioritize portability without compromising performance. If recent reports are accurate, this could be DJI's most feature-rich drone under the 250-gram category. A notable advancement is in battery life. A newly discovered battery label hints at a 4,680 mAh capacity, suggesting a flight time between 50 and 55 minutes, a substantial improvement over its predecessor. Fast charging is also anticipated, meaning shorter downtime between flights. On the imaging front, rumors suggest a 1-inch sensor, which would bring a significant boost in low-light capability, dynamic range, and color accuracy, impressive for such a compact drone. The gimbal may also be redesigned, potentially allowing for full 360-degree rotation, opening up new possibilities for creative shots. Safety and navigation features are also expected to get a major boost. Reports point to the inclusion of advanced infrared sensors that can detect obstacles up to 25 meters away, even in low light. Enlarged sensor housings suggest improved obstacle avoidance without sacrificing the drone's slim profile. Internally, it could feature more powerful motors with better cooling, offering improved stability in challenging conditions and support for heavier accessories like ND filters. Quick-release propellers may also make an appearance, streamlining the setup process. Despite these enhancements, it should remain under 250 grams, meaning it won't require registration in many areas. Additional features may include 32 gigabytes of internal storage, perfect for when you forget your SD card, and for video transmission tech, extending the range to up to 20 kilometers. On par with DJI's higher-end models. Expect full compatibility with DJI's latest accessories, including their C2 and CN3 controllers, as well as DJI Goggles 3 for FPV experiences. There's even talk of voice command support and high-quality audio recording, blurring the line between drone and creator camera. A new flight mode button might allow users to quickly switch to cinematic controls on the fly. As for availability and pricing, insiders suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will debut in September 2025, starting around $850. A Fly More combo could retail at about $1,200, positioning it between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S. Switching gears, let's look at the DJI Pocket 4, a compact powerhouse aimed at vloggers, mobile filmmakers, and content creators on the move. One major design update could be a flip-up to 0.5-inch screen with improved brightness and resolution, making it easier to use in bright outdoor settings. It's expected to be slightly heavier than its predecessor, but that's offset by better ergonomics and smarter button layouts for easier single-hand use. Camera-wise, it may pack a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a 20mm f2.0 lens, offering improved clarity, background separation, and better low-light performance. Advanced video capabilities like 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR video recording are rumored as well, giving creators more control in post-production. Under the hood, a new image processor may enhance autofocus, real-time tracking, and HDR previews. DJI's next-gen Active Track 7.0 could bring more accurate subject tracking using a combination of phase detection and facial recognition. It might also support 4,000 video at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capability of the previous model, perfect for capturing action or cinematic travel shots. Battery performance is also rumored to improve significantly, with USB-C PD fast charging that could fully recharge the device in just 25 minutes. Better heat management is expected as well, making it ideal for longer 4K recording sessions. While the Pocket 4's release is likely further out, possibly late 2026 or early 2027, pricing is rumored to start around $699, with a creator combo including a wireless mic, tripod, and carry case at around $799. In summary, DJI appears poised to redefine both lightweight drone photography and portable video creation. With extended flight times and professional level features in the Mini 5 Pro and enhanced cinematic tools in the Pocket 4, these new products could become must-haves for creators everywhere. What kind of content would you create with a drone that can fly for nearly an hour and shoot in cinematic quality? And for vloggers, does the ideal 4K at 4 FPS and advanced tracking in the Pocket 4 make you consider upgrading your gear? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of creative tech.